Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table, how to shade cells, rows, columns, how to insert rows, and how to merge cells. So I'm going to insert a table here. So insert, tab, and then here's table. You can click the down arrow, and if you know how many cells and how many rows and columns you need, you can just pick them here. I'm going to make a 3-column, 2-row table for now. And in the first column, I'm going to list teacher, subject, and time. Okay? And then second row, and okay, and then next row would be and then when you get, when you get to the end of a row and you want to put a new row in, you just hit the tab key. So when I'm here, I hit the tab key and it makes a new row for you so you can keep going. Okay, and I'm just going to stop there for the sake of it. Okay, and so now we've got our table created, and now we're going to shade some cells. So if you wanted to shade, maybe you want to just shade this cell, you just have to click inside the cell, and then when you're in a table, you automatically get 2 new ribbons up here. You get the Table Tools, Design, Table Tools, Layout. For shading, Table Tools, Design, and you can see it right here, shading. You just click on the down arrow and you can shade it, whatever color you want. Okay, so that's how you can shade a cell. How to shade a row. You just select the row, and if you come out here and you get your pointer like this, a big white right pointing arrow, and you click once, that selects the entire row, and then you can shade that also. Okay, and if you want to shade an entire column, you can come up here, and when your pointer is a solid black arrow like that and click, it selects the entire column. And also, the quick access toolbar pops up also, and you can change, you can do the shading here also. Okay, so that's how you can shade a cell, column, and a row. How do you insert a row? Let's say I want to put a row here between Mrs. Weber and Mrs. Feller. So I come out here and notice when I'm pointing a certain way, I get a plus sign there. If I click it here, if I click that plus sign, that puts a row in. Okay, I could also do it like this. I could select that row, and then of course here's insert above, and it will insert the row above. Or here's another way to do it. You can select that entire row, and then up here, Table Tools, Layout, and right here, insert above. So those are 3 different ways you can put a row in. And then to merge cells, and actually I'm going to put a row, I'm going to undo that. I'm going to put a row above this first row, and I'm going to put my teachers, and then I want this to be centered above all the columns, so I need to merge these cells. To merge cells, you click and drag to select the row, the cells that you want to merge, and once they're selected, Table Tools, Design, let's see if that's it. I don't see it. This is just all borders and shading and stuff. So Table Tools, Layout should be here somewhere. Let's see. Right here, merge cells. But here's another trick. You can whatever you have selected, if you point at the selection that you made and hit the right mouse button, you get a shortcut menu, and basically anything that can be done to the text you have selected would appear here. And right here is merge cells. So you can merge it. Now it's all just one big cell. You can see the line is gone, and you can then go to Home and center your title above your table.